Hello my friends! Yes, Valentine's it's almost here and let me teach you how to stay young, fabulous after 45. I will teach you step by step how to create this beautiful look. Lots of secrets I will release today, and let me tease you, let me show you what we're gonna use today. Yes, today we're gonna use the newest eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, Sultry. I'm telling you, this is insane. This is palette, unbelievable. $29. They charge you $29. You know what? I will buy this palette, and I will pay $100 because this color, this formula, everything, it's a 5-star. If you will purchase this, you will not regret. Such a beautiful formula. We have a 3 metallic here. No, sorry, I will say 3 metallic we have, and this lighter color, it's more sheen, and then we have a 5 matte colors here. Also, what I like about this, when you apply, you don't have any fall down eyeshadow, and I will teach you. I have one very important trick you need to know before you use any eyeshadow. Kids, this, let me swatch for you very quick. This is first color, it's a light like pearl pinky undertone eyeshadow. Then we have a matte color, we have matte, this is like a gray brown, and this is more like a mustard. And now I'm gonna show you metallic formula. Ooh! This color should go way more intense. Oh my god, look how pretty they are. Again, $29. It's insane how beautiful this. And now 3 more colors, and they are matte. Oh, how pretty. It's a black, but it's a soft black. Then we have nice beautiful brown, and then even like more pastel brown. Let's use this baby. I cannot wait to show you how I create this look. I wash my face with cleanser, and now I'm gonna use treatment lotion from Noir. Will give me extra hydration. Then I'm gonna apply serum, and you can use a serum morning and night. And this is from Lancome. It's a brightening, hydrating, regenerating serum. Absolute. Again, you can use this day and night. Have vitamin C. Love this. And then we're gonna use one of my favorite. I'm gonna use one of my favorite right now moisturizer from Natura. This is the highest, I will say, spa skincare brand. And then also for eye cream, because my eye area very sensitive, I'm gonna try today. I purchased this eye cream. It's not expensive, brightening glow eye cream with niacinamide, safe for sensitive skin, and this is its first at Beauty. Again, we're gonna try this. It's have a little bit color, and then I'm gonna use 2 primers today. I'm gonna use primer from Benefit, and this one it's good for my pores. And this one, I love this by Tula Filter Primer. Treatment lotion first, I need extra hydration and glow. Serum from Lancome. Oh, smells so good, this serum. Roses. And time to use moisturizer. Ooh, and then use your finger, use little spatulas if you have. If you don't have, you can come to Nordstrom, ask me or anyone. We can give you 1 for free or 10 for free. We have plenty. You just need to come to Nordstrom. Let's use eye cream for sensitive eye area. You can see it's have a little bit color, not much, but I researched about this eye cream and it's a good brightening eye cream also for dark circles and for sensitive eye. It feels like it have little bit pearl. Ooh. Before primers, let's hydrate my lip, and I'm gonna use today brand Yourself. Look at this huge brush. It's a good hydration. It's like oil balm feels, and I like this product. And also it will slightly plump your lips. And now let's use a primer. Remember, we're doubling primers today. If you don't have a large pores, you probably can use easy one, but I using this one because I have a large pores. This will minimize my pores, and it just foundation will sit very beautiful on my skin. I'm not applying on the entire my face, just on some area. Again, look at this, it's just white, and now I am applying on my face, and look at what's happening. Give me a little bit color even, and give me nice beautiful glow, minimize my pigmentation, discoloration. Look at my pigmentation right there. Yeah, dry and sun hitting me so many times I skip sunscreen. Yeah. For my foundation, I'm gonna use double wear foundation. I know this is the best foundation for me, for my skin. Even I am dry right now, and this is more combination to oily, but because we use treatment lotion, serum, primer, and then you know what, I never try, but I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna add a little bit my primer, because this primer very good hydration, and maybe this foundation will feel so dry, but it's first time I'm gonna try. Let's see. Okay, let me use my double wear. Every time when I use in double wear, I get in the most compliment. This is foundation, it's for me, 100%. I'm not yet discover foundation better than this one. I apply foundation on the entire my face, and also I will apply on my eyelid because I do have darkness there. Right foundation, it's very important. If you're extremely dry or very dry, I will not suggest to use double wear. Okay, a little bit concealer from Laura Mercier, and I love this concealers, particularly this color for me. It's 1.5C. It's like a peachy pinky color. Love this color. I'm gonna use my beauty blender, and I pushing this concealer up. What it does, it will lift my eyes and make me at least 5 years younger. I'm looking a little bit pale, and I'm gonna use bronze, cream bronze from Chanel 390 color, and I love to apply this bronze with Charlotte Tilbury brush. I go to very close to my hairline. I'm gonna apply a little bit underneath because I do like makeup, but no makeup, I prefer more than like intense heavy look. But I will set my foundation with loose powder from Estee Lauder Translucent Soft Glow. It reminds me a little bit Lancome Absolute Powder. It has this little bit pearl sparkly powder. We received sold out, and where is my big brush? I'm gonna use a big powder brush from Noir, and or maybe this for bronze. Either way, I will list it all product below, or you can reach me to say, Katerina, I want this or this, and I'll send you home, and it's free shipping. Okay, just little bit powder. Again, it's not gonna give me like a shimmer or sparkly. It still looks very natural. I know you're all waiting for this little baby, but Let me fill my eyebrows first. I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil and I'll be right back for this sultry, gorgeous palette. Eyebrows, it's done. And now I'm gonna use Lancome setting mist because hydration we need in February. And now let's start working with my eyes. I'm gonna use a MAC eyeshadow primer, Painterly. It's a beautiful, very like a nude color. Your eyeshadow gonna stay all day, all night. I have a big powder brush. I have slightly little bit powder here and I'm gonna set my primer. And now we're gonna use this beautiful palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ta-ta! It's so pretty, it's so easy, nice color. This is really exciting and price point $29 for 9 eyeshadows. It's a good price. I have a big blending brush from Noir and we're gonna start with this color. It's a matte color. It's a little bit like a browny grayish undertone. Also, I am gonna use my hand. I taken extra product from my brush and I knew for sure it's not too much color or products on my brush. Will be my middle color and you can see this is circle area and I applying this color little bit up and also in the corner and I'm making like a letter C. And I am reapplying few times this eyeshadow to build color, to make this color little bit more darker, but not too dark. Now we're gonna use second color and it's remind me a little bit like a mustard color. We're gonna use above my circle area, but we're not gonna go on crease, just on top. It's slightly little bit brighter color. It's gonna open and lift my eye. And for this application, I'm gonna use small blending brush from Noir. Again, you can see I apply just right here. I have a big blending brush and I'm gonna blend these two colors together. Now I'm gonna use this brown, deep brown color and I'm gonna apply on a crease. Now we're gonna use this dark color and I'm using double end brush 200 from Chanel. I love this brush. I'm gonna apply this darker color right here, it's in the corner. And I also little bit turn in my head. Now I have a clean blending brush and I'm just gonna little bit blend this color and pushing this color to my brow bone. We have with you 3 amazing shimmer color and I'm not sure which one I like. They're all so pretty. Oh my god, decision. Okay, you know what? Let's use 2. I'm gonna use Sigma blending brush. It's a little bit pointy than Noir and we're gonna use this color. We're gonna just apply in the corner and we're gonna connect to this darker color. I want a little bit more apply darker color right here on the corner. My eyes already look beautiful and if you don't want to do this step, you don't need, but because this is such a beautiful, like a shimmery color, I'm gonna apply little bit right here on the center my eyelid for extra pop. Ooh, it's really pop. And I have my blended brush. I'm gonna slightly little bit soft edges here between eyeshadow. Now I have a flat brush from Noir and we're gonna use this dark brown eyeshadow and again you can see I use in my hand and I'm gonna apply this color very close to my low lashes, halfway. I have a small blending brush from Noir and I'm just gonna slightly soak this color. Now let's lift my eye. You can see how I apply so low here. Like here it's already high because kind of I slightly little bit clean. But you have a beauty blender or concealer and all what you do, you just go in the corner and you just slightly apply your concealer or foundation and you can see we're clean and now we lift it without plastic surgeon. Now I apply brown eyeliner between my lashes, but you can use any color. You can use brown, you can use black, you can use gray. They all will work. A lot of us who applying between lashes eyeliner sometimes applying on a waterline and then after blin blin you can have like a black or brown on the bottom. What it means, you need a Q-tip and you just gonna go and clean. We're gonna use last color and it's this one. It's like a pearl color, beautiful. We're gonna apply underneath my brow bone and on the corner. After 45, it's all about lift. We're applying light color on the brow bone. This eyeshadow palette, it's incredible. I will pay $100 for this palette, for this quality, for these colors. Now I'm gonna use waterproof liquid eyeliner from Christian Dior. Shake, 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 shake. But if you wanna use your regular pencil, it's okay. If you don't wanna use any eyeliner, it's also okay. It's so easy, just step, 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 turn. Before mascara, I'm gonna use Chantecaille Nude Eyeliner. It's my favorite. I'm obsessed. Now I'm gonna use Claire de Peau bronze. I love this bronze. I have two colors here. I have a big brush from Chanel and I'm just gonna apply a little bit more, again close to my hairline, a little bit right here and underneath. Before blush, we're gonna use highlighter and it's my favorite from MAC. And I'm gonna use these two colors together. It is very intense. Again, look at me. I again using my hand. And this is where I apply my highlighter. And let's put slightly little bit here and right here. For my blush, I'm gonna use today Tom Ford. Let's get fancy. And this is, it's a 02 Ecliptic Flush. I love these two colors here. We have like kind of bright orange and then very soft. And I like to mix them two together. Oops! I slightly little bit smiling, circle emotion, pushing this color up. We're not yet finished with blush. Another makeup artist trick. I have a big blending brush and I'm gonna apply this color a little bit right here above my suckle area. Basically, I connecting my blush with my eyes and it gives me this extra pop. And let's do the lips. I like everything except something that's really bothering me. I'm not sure if you can see in the camera or not, but concealer is creasing today. And I usually love Laura Mercier concealer, but today it's bothering me. For my lips, we're gonna use chestnut lip liner from Laura Mercier and lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury Supermodel. And then I'm gonna choose a sexy lip gloss. I feel so sexy and young. I feel not 35, I feel like 32. Let's add a little bit lip gloss from Chanel. Now I am happy and I'm ready to go and celebrate Valentine's Day. I hope I help you. Love you more than ice cream. Subscribe, comments below, and I will see you in my next video.